chi hadol, Radio CAYB,
Radio CAYB,
chi hadol, Radio CAYB,
Hello and welcome to week 57 of Radio CAYB.
Yes, welcome to week 57 of Radio CAYB. Yes, go on.
Yep, Dion.
And this is not a usual show today, no.
No.
We got no features this week, no, Lacey? What's happened to the features?
Banger Easter party songs. We're starting off with Mr. Bombastic by Shaggy. Hope you enjoyed the Easter party.
And there's no features this week, no.
No.
No Mistress Song, no history, no sports, no
charts.
Yeah.
And it's Guilty Pleasures non-stop. Yes, go on.
Yep, yeah.
Like what Lacey said, we're going to start off with Mr. Bombastic, and this is by Shaggy here on Radio CAYB. And then we'll have The Only Way Is Up by Yaz.
Mr. Bombastic, we want is a bombastic, romantic, fantastic lover. Shaggy, Mr. Lover. Now Mr. Lover. Girl, Mr. Lover. Now Mr. Lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Call me fantastic, touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Smooth, just like a silk, soft and cuddly, hug me up like a quilt. I'm a lyrical lover, now take me thin or filled with my sexual physique. You know me well, Bill, do me, oh my, well, can't you tell? I'm just like a turtle crawling out of my shell. Girl, you captivate my body, put me under a spell. With your couscous perfume, I love your sweet smell. You're the young girl who can ring my bell, and I can take rejection. So you tell me go to well, I'm bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on my back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Tell me fantastic, she touch me on my back, she says I'm Mr. Bombastic. Tell me fantastic, touch me on my back, she call me Mr. Romantic. Tell me fantastic, she touch me on my back, she says I'm Mr. Gee whiz, baby please, let me take you to an island of the sweet cool breeze. You don't feel like drive, well baby hand me the keys, and I will take you to a place and set your mind at ease. Don't you tickle my foot bottom, baby please. Don't you play with my nose, cause I'm a hatchoon sneeze. Well you are the bun and me are the cheese, and if I'm me are the rice, well baby love you the peas. I'm bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me box, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Tell me fantastic, touch me on me box, she says I'm Mr. Bombastic. Tell me fantastic, touch me on me box, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Tell me fantastic, touch me on me box, she says I'm Mr. Boom. I say give me your lovin', girl your lovin' well good. I want your lovin', can't be it like you should. I give you your lovin', girl your lovin' well good. I want your lovin', girl you remember the would you like to kiss and caress, rub down every strand of your bandages. I'm bombastic, rated as the best you should get, nothing more, nothing less. Give me your digits, chat on your address, I'll bet you confess when you put me to the test that I'm bombastic. Tell me fantastic, touch me on me box, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Tell me fantastic, touch me on me box, she says I'm Mr. Bombastic. Tell me fantastic, touch me on me box, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Tell me fantastic, touch me on me box, she says I'm Mr. Bombastic. Why? Girl, your admiration, it'll lick me from the start. With such physical attraction, girl, you know to feel the spark. I want a few words, now go tell you no sweetheart. Now go laba, not chat pure fart. I'll get straight to the point, like a aura dart. Lay down in my jacuzzi and get some bubble bath. Only song you will hear is the beating of my heart, and we will and have some sweet pillow talk. I'm bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on the box, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Tell me fantastic, she tickle up my box, she says I'm Mr. Bombastic. Tell me fantastic, touch me on my box, she says I'm Mr. romantic, send me fantastic. Touch me on the box, she says, Mr. Boom. What you say, girl? Smooth.
Yes, and that was by Yaz. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Now we've got a good classic from the 1994 coming up next. Come on, we're going.
Yeah.
What is this song, Lucy?
Everybody gone for you, Vaughan.
And it's by the Two Cowboys. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you enjoy these two next songs coming up. We've got Cotton Eye Joe after this one, haven't we gone?
Yeah.
That's by Rednecks.
Everybody, go, been for Cotton Eye Joe? I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Hope you're enjoying this Easter part. Radio CAYB. That the last two songs are Chreu'n by Wythnos and Hey Boy Hey Girl by the Chemical Brothers.
Okay, so thank you, Lacey, for that. And yes, we hope you're enjoying these classics we put out for you today. Yes, no?
Yeah.
And our next song here now is wedi'i by Touch and Go. And then after this, we'll have Ice Ice Baby by Vanilla Ice.
Girls, beat boys, superstar DJs, here we go! Hey girls, beat boys, superstar DJs, here we go! Hey girls, beat boys, superstar DJs, here we go! Hey girls, beat boys, superstar DJs, here we go! Here
find you very attractive. I've noticed you around. I find you very attractive. I find you very attractive. Would you go to bed with me? I've noticed you around. I find you very attractive. Would you, noticed you around. I find you very attractive. Would you, would you go to bed with me?
VIP. Let's kick it. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Alright, stop, collaborate and listen. Ice is back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly, flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights, and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and wax a chump like a candle. Dance, rush the speaker that booms. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly, when I play a dope melody. Anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it, you better gain weight. You better hit the bullseye, the kid don't play. And if there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Ice, ice, baby. Kicked in and the Vegas all pumping. Quick to the point, no faking. Cooking MCs like a pound of bacon. Burning them, if you're not quick and nimble. I go crazy when I hear a cymbal and a hi-hat with a souped up tempo. I'm on a roll, it's time to go solo. Rollin', hit my 5.0 with the rag top down so my hair can blow. The girlie's on standby, waiting just to say hi. Did you stop? No, I just drove by, kept on pursuing to the next stop. I bust a left and I'm heading to the next stop. The block was dead, yo, so I continued to A1A Beachfront Avenue. Girls were hot, women less than bikinis. Rockmen lovers, driving Lamborghinis. Jealous, cause I'm out getting mine. Shade with the gauge and vanilla with the 9. Ready for the chumps on the wall. The chumps acting ill cause they're full of 8-ball. Gunshots ranged out like a bell. I grabbed my 9, all I heard was shells falling on the concrete real fast. Jumping jumped in my car, slammed on the gas, bumper to bumper, the avenue's packed. I'm trying to get away before the jackers jack. Police on the scene, you know what I mean? They passed me up, confronted all the dope fiends. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Ice, ice, baby. On the scene, just in case you didn't know it. My town, that created all the bass sound, enough to shake and kick holes in the ground. My style's like a chemical spill. These are rhymes you can vision and feel. Conducted and formed, there's a hell of a concept. We make it hype, and you wanna step with this. Shape plays on a fade, slice like a ninja, cut like a razor blade so fast. Other DJs say, damn, rhyme was a drug, I'd sell it by the gram. Keep my composure when it's time to get loose. Magnetized by the mic when I kick my juice. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Ice, ice, baby. Let's get out of here. Word to your mother. Ice, ice, baby, too cold. Ice, ice, baby, too cold, too cold. Ice, ice, baby, too cold. Ice, ice, baby, too cold, too cold. Ice, ice, baby, too cold, too cold. Ice, ice, baby, too cold, too cold. Ice, ice, baby, too cold. Ice, ice, baby, too cold, too cold. Ice, ice, baby, too cold. Ice, ice, baby, too cold, too cold. Ice, ice, baby, too cold, too cold. Ice, ice, baby, too cold, too cold.
Was Ice Ice Baby by Miller I.
Yes, go on, you're listening to Radio CAYB, and today is not a usual show today, no, don't.
No, Dion.
This is an Easter party with all your favourite 90s and 80s classics. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
Now, our next song here now is I Use Chreu'n, and this is by Captain Hollywood. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
Hope you enjoy this one. And then after this, we'll have Boom 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 by the Outbirds.
To the beat, y'all, and you just don't stop. Hollywood will make your body rock 24/7 in full effect, so take notes and double check. It's a thriller, sometimes killer, slowing you down and making you chiller out. Without a doubt, it's a dream that I'm talking about.
Oh, are you dreaming?
Come on.
Keep on dreaming. I just wanna know, are you dreaming? Keep on dreaming.
Dreams can be very nice, sometimes hot, sometimes ice cold, but still so real. Nightmares will make you feel like waking up and running away. Sometimes they make you stay just like people are human beings.
Fantasies are dreams.
I too hide from you to me, on the road to fantasy. I too hide from me to you. I hope you feel the same way too. Oh, are you dreaming?
Come on.
Keep on dreaming. I just wanna know, are you dreaming? Keep on dreaming. Keep on dreaming.
Dreaming that the world was right.
Peace between black and white,
Love,
for the animals,
prayer for all of us. Dreaming that the world was right. Peace,
between black and white,
love,
for the animals.
prayer for all of us.
I too hide from you to me, on the road to fantasy. I too hide from me to you. I hope you feel the same way too. Oh, are you dreaming?
Come on.
Keep on dreaming. I just wanna know,
me say well. Me say boom boom boom, now everybody say well. Me say boom boom boom, now let me say well. Me say boom boom boom, now everybody say well. Well. Boom boom boom, now let me say well. Well. Me say boom boom boom, now everybody say well. Well. Me say boom boom boom, now let me say well. Well. Me say boom boom boom, now everybody say well. Well.
Now this. It's the Outer Planets, back in the room, ready to rock the world with the boom. So I hope you can stand the vibration, cause we're about to rock the entire nation. Alright, here we go.
I say boom boom boom, now let me hear say well. I say boom boom boom, now we're about to say well. I say boom boom boom, now let me hear say well. I say boom boom boom, now we're about to say well. Boom boom boom, now let me hear say well.
I just fell from the mothership. Out here, brothers about to rip it on another tip. Slip, don't trip. Check out how I do it. My niggas in the house, I turn your body into fruit. As I come from the depths of doom, I step back like wow with the boom.
Boom boom boom, now let me hear say well. I say boom boom boom, now we're about to say well. I say boom boom boom, now let me hear say well. I say boom boom boom, now we're about to say well. Boom boom boom, now let me hear say well.
That was Boom 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 by the Other Brothers.
Yes, Lacey, this is Radio CAYB. Hope you're enjoying this Easter special. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Our next song here now is
Gin and Tonic.
And who is it, Lacey?
Jim Dust. And after that, we'll have Encore the Voice by Sash. Hope you enjoy it.
A little more than hip distance apart. Your stomach pulled in, your weight slightly forward. Keeping that posture and reach. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, back. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, reach. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, back. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. are you've worked up a good sweat by now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4.
Mesdames, Messieurs, le disc jockey Zach est de retour. C'est de retour.
My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no power, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no fame, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. Want more and more, people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for, want more and more, people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for, freed from desire, mind and senses purified, freed from desire, mind and senses purified, freed from desire, mind and senses purified, freed from desire. Na 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 na
legend of the phoenix all ends with beginnings. What keeps the planet spinning? The force from the beginning. Love. We've come too far to give up who we are. So let's raise the bar and our cups to the stars. She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 The present has no ribbon. Your gift keeps on giving. What is this I'm feeling? If you wanna leave, I'm with it. We've come too far to give up who we are. So let's raise the bar and our cups to the stars. She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 We're up all night to get. 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 We're up all night to get lucky. 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 We've come too far to give up who we are. So let's raise the bar and our cups to the stars. She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 We're up all night to get lucky.
That was Get Lucky by Daft Bont.
Yes, go on. We hope you've enjoyed today's show, yes, boys.
Yeah.
And now we are going to discuss what we will all be doing for the Easter holidays, aren't we all?
Yeah.
First of all, we've got Mr. Williams here. Hello, Mr. Williams. Good to hear you.
Doing great, diolch. Dach chi? How are we all, boys? Are we good?
Good, thank you.
Sorry, I was just eating a biscuit while you came.
Okay, so beth chi gael pasg, Mr. Williams?
Past this Easter, I've got 3 little children at home, so we're doing lots of Easter-related things. So we're going on Easter egg hunt on the Monday the 6th. We're going to Nghanolfan Farm, and we're going to be meeting the Easter Bunny, Ethan. And we're going to do an Easter egg hunt. We're also going to Parkour Farm and doing the same there.
Yeah.
So basically, it all revolves around chocolate and looking for Easter eggs. I'm eating lots of chocolate with the kids.
Cool, let's go.
What are you all up to? What are you up to, Max?
Going to Valley.
Nice, Max.
Nice.
Thought you said earlier we might be going to Canolfan this Max. What are you doing this Easter, Peter?
Well, I don't need to
Manchester, nice, Pete. What will you be doing in Manchester?
Oh, no, just something so chewy.
Nice. What are you doing this Easter, Don?
I'm going to Holyhead Cinema with chreu'n to watch Super Mario Galaxy.
Nice, go on. Hope you have fun with chreu'n. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Lucy?
Easter egg hunt and debuting a song.
Nice. Which song are you debuting?
Debuting Moonlight Presenter, which is going to come out worldwide. It's actually on April the 4th.
Wow. April the 4th.
April
3 days after April Fools.
Yeah, April the 3rd, I meant.
Yeah.
That's 2 days after April Fools.
Okay, good
Yeah.
one.
And I will be going somewhere with Alan, I believe. And I'll be going to Ireland on Easter Sunday as well. With Tony and Alan. That's what my Easter's up to. So, that's everyone's Easter's, yes, go on.
Yeah, they are.
Mention in the comments below what you guys are doing, yes, go on.
Yeah.
Now, next song here now. We hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio CAYB, yes, go on.
Yeah, they are.
And we're going to leave you with Pitbull feat. TJR. And this is Don't Stop the Party, yes, go on.
Yeah, they are.
We'll see you next week for week 58 of Radio
Also,
CAYB.
quick announcement. We are DJing in the hall on Friday.
Yes, me, Dawn and Lacey will be at the hall on Friday if you want to get along. We'll be doing an Easter party in the hall, yes, go on.
With dance music, kids music and Welsh music.
Yes, Lacey. And we'll see you all next week for week 58 of Radio CAYB.
Take care for now.
I say y'all having a good time out there. Don't stop the party. Que no pare la fiesta. Don't stop the party.
I'm running through the world like a running back. Scarface world's mine running back. 30,000 people in here know me. 80,000 people in London, Wembley. 90,000 people in Morocco, and I'm just getting warmed up. Catch me with red one in Stockholm, Beirut Cafe, getting my drink on. While all the pretty women hit the hookah. All of them sweet, azúcar. Dale di fruta.
They can't, they won't, they never will stop the party. They can't, they won't, they never will stop the party. I say y'all having a good time out there. Que no pare la fiesta. Don't stop the party. Que no pare la fiesta. Don't stop the party.
I'm from the city where they stretch, yeah, like Slinky. And now I'm doing shows in Helsinki. I know what y'all thinking that you can outthink me, but you can't, frankly. I'm out for the Benjis, Frankies. Just cause you ain't me, don't hate me. As a matter of fact, you should thank me, even if you don't, you're welcome, Yankees. Zigga, 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 zow. Who got the keys to the world now? Yours truly. Blah, 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 blah.
They can't, they won't, they never will stop the party. They can't, they won't, they never will stop the party. I say y'all having a good time out there. Que no pare la fiesta. Don't stop the party. Que no pare la fiesta. Don't stop the party.
I'ma give it to you, now give it to me, I'ma give it to you, now give it to me, I'ma give it to you, now give it to me, get funky, now stop.
I say y'all having a good time out there. Que no pare la fiesta. Don't stop the party. Que no pare la fiesta. Don't stop the party.
To the money makers in the place to be.
Que no pare la fiesta. Don't stop the party.
To the sexy people in the place to be.
Que no pare la fiesta. Don't stop the
Canol, Dyma Can.
Radio CAYB,
Canol, Dyma Can.
you're listening to Radio CAYB, Radio CAYB.